Hello, good morning, friends. So let us continue with the design. Actually, I forgot to add one thing. That is, here actually I need a back plate. So let us add. So already we have fixed the die plate this die set height. So check how much. Okay, I think it is sufficient. So what we will do, uh, we will just hide this plate. Go here. Sorry, not this. So we will rename the item. This is top light. This is our top light. So just to hide this, then what we are going to do is we are going to insert a new component. So right click here, new component, and this is our back plate or thrust plate. So we'll give the name thrust plate. Thrust plate, right? So on this face, right click, create sketch. Then we will project the edges. Press the face, the entire face we can project. Press P and select this face, then OK. And this we will double click here, press X. Finish sketch. Now we can extrude, extrude. So I think some 8 mm will be sufficient. 8 mm. Okay. Now we will activate the main assembly once again. So top light also we will switch on. Now we have to transfer the holes. So we'll activate the bottom plate. First we will transfer the clamping holes for die plate. Then using the same holes we will transfer for the top plate also. So this is our bottom plate. So this we will activate. Then come here, right. So select this, right click, create sketch. Then let us change the visibility settings so that visual style. So let's go for wireframe. So we can transfer these edges. Press P. So let us turn off this. Then select the edge 1, 2, 3, 4, then OK. Finish sketch. So now what we have done is we have transferred the position of holes to the bottom plate, visual style shaded with the visible edges on. Now we can make the holes. So go here, hole. So let us use counter bore type. So here, second option, counter bore. Then we will select the points. Just select all the 4 points. Then we will edit the diameters, specifications. I think the hole was 10 mm. So what we will do 8 mm. So we will do here 9. And this dia is 14. And this height is 9. Sorry, this is 9 and this is 14. Then this extends. So 2, we will go and select 2 up to here. Then no. I think that hole was, so how to check? So let me check whether what was the size of the hole. So die plate, activate the die plate, and let me check what was the diameter. M8. So our assumption was correct. Now we can transfer the same thing for the punch holder, back plate and top plate. So same holes we will transfer. So activate here, or we will activate the top plate. So this each and individual elements we can rename it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate these plates. So select these both the plate, right click, then isolate. Then go here, create sketch. Then for just top plate also I will hide. Then I will project this. Press P. Select this. Then OK. So we have projected, finish sketch. Then again we will do the same thing. Okay, before that let me go back to, so this, select and isolate. So now let us go for hold. Select all the 4 points here. Then we will go here to okay. And we will activate the punch holder again. Punch holder. Activate here. So let me turn off this or isolate this. Then we will create thread. Press Ctrl key and select the all four holes. So this is M8. M8 into 1.25. Then okay. Then we can make chamfer. Here also we will give chamfer. So then we will go for unisolate. So activate here. Now we will assemble as built joint. These both we will give the joint. Okay. Now we want to make the joint for this back plate and top plate. So first what we will do, I'm hiding this. So top plate I'm going to hide. Then assemble as built joint. This both, that is make built joint. Then switch on this. Then joint. So let me off the die plate. Not die plate, punch holder. Punch also let me off. Then select this face. Then the no. So what I done is I have assembled the back plate and the top plate, thrust plate and top plate. Let me turn on the punch holder. Okay, I think the assembly also is somewhat all right. to add the required screws, and here shank is required. So let us check how much the length of the screw required. Inspect, measure. From here to here it is 46. So M8 into 40 will be okay. M8 into 40. M8 into 40. Similarly, we will check here also. Inspect, measure. From here to so let me okay, let us inspect, measure from here to say how much is here, 18. So 18 plus 15, 18 plus 15, 18 plus 15, something like that we will calculate. 18 plus 15 is 33. So we will use 35. So M8 into 35 we will use for both the cases. Inspect, measure. Inspect, measure. So okay, 35 and 40 we will use. 40. Okay. So let us open this once again. So also we can add the dowels. Okay, uh, let it be like that. So go here, e-accessories, fasteners. So in this we will select. So we will go for M8. M8. L1 we have we require 35. So go here, add. Again 40 also we want, 40, add. So we will change this to one particle and we will, okay. What it is saying? You have chosen quantity one piece is below the minimum quantity of you want to take. Okay, I think okay, no problem. Then together with this we will add one more the shank also. I think it is attachments. So clamping pivot. So we will add one clamping pivot also. Select. So what is the this size here. D3, D1, D1. I think we will go for the 25 diameter one, this one. So this, select this, add. Any other item, if we want, we can add the dowel also. So let us use later. Then select all, then CAD transfer. This also minimize. Now we have to upload. So go here, upload. Select files. Then select this, open, then upload. So completed, close. Now we can so this drag and drop here. Then we will close this. So let us place it slightly somewhere away from the, then okay. So this is the bolt which is having more length. So first we'll assemble one. Assemble, join, then select the bottom face. Okay. Similarly, we will assemble the other one also. Joint, this bottom face we will select. Then here, so here we can flip it, then okay. Now we can pattern this. For that, okay, okay, never mind. Inspect, measure. So I want to measure this, how much. 120. So it's saying 120. What about this dimension? Inspect, measure. Distance 54. 120 and 54. 120 and 54 will do. Will give close. So rectangular pattern. So here we will go here components. So we can. Oh, I forgot one thing. So we have to break the this break link. Then go to rectangular pattern. So this components. Then we will select from here. Okay. Then direction. So in this direction, to quantity and distance is 120. Then direction 2, quantity 2. So how much it was? 84. -60 minus 60. 54 minus 54 minus 54, then okay. So then we can give the assemble as built join, assemble as built join this and this. Okay. Then again assemble as built join this as built joint as built joint here also. Okay, already it is there. Next we will do the same thing for this also. Rectangular pattern, this component, then direction, select this, okay, go here, direction, select this direction, minus 120. So item 2, 2 numbers, then direction 2, that is 2 numbers, minus 54. Then okay. Assemble as built joint. Okay. Assemble as built joint. As built joint once again. This also we will give. Okay. Now we want to make join for this also. Joint. So this particular component, okay, on the center of this. Then okay. Now we can make another one more hole here. So let me this isolate first. So here I can rename. This is my shank. So this isolate and check the dimension. I think it is 25. Inspect, measure 16, right? And isolate. So M16 into 1.5. So we will go here, create sketch. So just let me project this, press P, then OK, finish sketch. So let us hide this shank, just hide this. Then go to hole. So symbol hole. That is 16. So here extend to, I'm going to give up to here only. Then OK. Now let us create a thread. Create thread here. M6 into 1.5. Okay. M16 into 1.5. Then OK. Then make one more chamfer also here. Chamfer. So we will add the constraint for punch also, assembled as built to join. So this punch and this punch holder. Then OK. Revert. So if you want, you can add two more stopper also, somewhere here and here. Okay. No, just we'll do one more additional thing in the joint. We will give this particular pillar and this bush here. So here I want to give a motion, slider motion here. Then OK. Then let us animate here. But one more here also we will add another joint. Joint here. So let me edit the join limits. Edit join limits. Minimum. So with this, I'm going to end this video. So thank you. Thanks for watching. So you can add here the joined here. I'm not able to perform the required operation now. You can try it. So thanks.